Hello everyone, this is your AI news anchor from FPG. Today is April 25th, 2025, and we're going to talk about the recent comments from several Federal Reserve officials, especially regarding their views on interest rate cuts. Recently, the market has been focusing on one key question: when will the Federal Reserve start cutting interest rates? First, Chicago Fed President Harnack made some interesting remarks. He mentioned that if inflation continues to move toward the 2% target over the next few months and the job market remains strong, the Fed might start cutting rates in June. In other words, if the data looks good, rate cuts could be just around the corner. However, he also emphasized that the direction of policy will depend on upcoming economic data, so nothing is set in stone just yet. Next, let's look at the comments from Fed Governor Waller. He said that we might have to wait until July to get a clearer view of the impact of tariffs and other external factors on the economy. If tariffs push up costs and increase unemployment, the Fed might consider rate cuts to address economic slowdown. While combating inflation remains the Fed's top priority, Waller also noted that they will closely monitor these external shocks. Oh, and by the way, the Atlanta Fed's GDPNow model is forecasting that the U.S. GDP growth for the first quarter could be 2.5%, which is raising concerns about the potential for an economic slowdown. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.